Okay, today we are getting rid of the corrosion problem that we had. That was the reason the light wasn't working. Basically, this light sits like this. You take the screw out here, you take a screw out here, it comes out. When it comes out, they use these and the screws, these tiny screws, to hold the unit together. Okay, here's the screw, here's the screw, and then you have this to go around it. Like that, to hold it. We did a project, we had corrosion inside here, and you have your positive and negative in there, and what we use is a regular brush to clean the contacts inside. Later on we're going to use the corrosion block to put it on the bulb, and we use the fingernail clipper to clip the tie downs. These tie downs were and then you need a screwdriver to take the screw out. The way this is put together is basically this goes like that, and it goes right here. Okay, like that. Screw here, pull it out, and screw here. You get it out, and use these tie down, and we're going to show the afterward. Okay, you put the tape in. Alrighty, so it goes in, and then put the screws in. That's it. Put the screws in right here, right here. It's finished. Bye.